I'm a builder. I own a construction company, and we have about 60 people working for us. And the type of work that we do is we renovate and build people's houses. So we don't build office buildings, we don't build schools, we build houses for people. I love buildings and design and space. I love the influence that it has on people's experience of life. I think it makes people happy when they're in a space that's beautiful and that flows and that works. I think that we're taking the best of ourselves and putting it into the experience of other people, and I really love that. If you have an idea and you think it makes sense, don't think that there's some sort of a general adult knowledge about what works and what doesn't, what's right and what's not right. You should kind of stick to your guns and realize that you may have an idea that they haven't had because they're not you.